In the manufacturing industry, production lines don't stop, and neither can the need for high-quality healthcare. This nationwide manufacturing leader partnered with First Stop Health to provide 24/7 access, $0 visits, and a care model designed to reach their most isolated populations. For large-scale employers, balancing wellness with operational efficiency is a constant hurdle, especially when portions of the workforce remain hard to reach. This client needed to identify members in specific states to drive utilization, improve health outcomes, and provide predictable, manageable costs for the business. First Stop Health delivered a targeted virtual care platform tailored to the unique geographic challenges of a nationwide workforce. By collaborating with a dedicated customer success manager, the client identified underserved members and launched curated, custom campaigns to bridge the gap between employees and their benefits. This all-in-one, $0 touchpoint simplified how families manage their health, providing a seamless alternative to the traditional system that fits into any schedule or location. The manufacturing workforce utilized the benefit at a remarkable level, reaching a 74% annualized utilization rate. This engagement extended deep into the home, with 1 in 2 visits being completed by family members. Clinically, the program was highly effective at redirecting care, as 88% of visits were cost-diverting, steering members away from expensive in-person settings. This shift resulted in over $484,000 in direct healthcare savings and an impressive 122% return on investment. Backed by a strong 4.8 out of 5-star rating, First Stop Health proved that data-driven, comprehensive virtual care is the ultimate tool for protecting both the manufacturer's bottom line and their most vital asset, their people.